In this video, we'll show you the factory reset Windows 10 PC or laptop without password. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're logged out at the login screen without a password, you can actually try to reset your Windows from the login screen. To do that, you can hover to the bottom right and then select restart while holding down the shift button on your keyboard. So press shift and hit restart. You'll go to Windows recovery menu, and from here select reset my PC, and then you'll have two options. Here, if you don't have the password or access to the Microsoft account, you'll need to select remove everything. Wait a bit, and here if you have internet, you can select cloud download to download the latest one, but the faster way is to select local reinstall. So let's select that. After that, you can choose if you want to fully clean your drive or just want to remove your files. Here I recommend you to select just remove my files, and then you're going to confirm everything you want to do is correct. So if you're sure of that, you can click reset. The resetting process will start. It'll take some time, so make sure your PC is not turning off while it's doing that. After it's done, go through the new setup, pick your region, agree to terms, create a login to your account, and set a password if you want. And now the reset is complete and your PC is now like new factory and you're good to go.